Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add Capital One Shopping to Safari on iPhone. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all guys, you just have to go to google.com and here just search for Capital One Shopping on Google, and once you are on their website, you just gonna have to log in into your account, just sign up with an account on Capital One Shopping, and you can just add their extension, or you can just add this website to your bookmarks by clicking on this icon right here at the bottom. Just click on it, click on add to bookmarks, and you can just access this website easily to get updated news on this website. The second option is that, actually the third option is that you can just download the Capital One Shopping application. Just search for Capital One Shopping iOS app on Google or on your app store. You can download it, or you can just add this Capital One Shopping extension to Safari. Just download it from iOS app store and it will be added to your Safari web browser. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.